So we got this when people write into the Marriage Foundation, to our Ask Our Counselors. It's a free service. They let us know what's going on and we try to help them. I'm Paul Friedman. I founded the Marriage Foundation, and this particular one is very troubling. My husband thinks I don't love him anymore. This is very harsh. It's hard for you as a woman. It's hard for your husband. And I have to tell you that the answer, the solution, you might say, that I'm going to give you, it might not sit well at first, but I want you to really think about it. I want you to really consider it. And I also want you to subscribe to this channel so that you could learn about marriage in a very different way than most people present it. I used to be a divorce mediator, not a marriage counselor like most of them. And I've helped many, many marriages. And this particular topic is very deep. I'm going to get to it. So, you have to ask, why doesn't he think you love him anymore? Clearly you do, or you wouldn't be bringing this up. But what happened? I could tell you exactly what happened, not in terms of day-to-day stuff, but what happened over the course of time is that the focus of your relationship stopped being the love that originally brought you together. We all get married to the person who we think is going to bring us happiness, the person who we think we will love more and more, and they will love us more and more. And then we go about our business. It's almost like, okay, let's get married, let's plan the wedding, who shall we invite, where shall we have it? We get married, bam, we have this wonderful wedding, we have a honeymoon. For a while, things are going well. And then he gets busy, you get busy. You're not connecting the way you used to. Maybe you have kids, you start talking about the kids more, jobs, social stuff, and the love connection that you had, that bridge that was literally just beginning to form when you got married, that was the beginning. It started, you were like two construction workers who went your way and said, well, we'll build it a little bit today, we'll build it a little bit tomorrow. And what people should be doing, but we're not taught this, is they should be building their love every single day. And so you probably feel that your husband is too busy for you too often, doesn't give you enough attention, but you have filled up those spaces with other things where he didn't. It's only a matter of timing. It could have gone either way. The problem is very simple, what I just described, that you didn't put your attention on building love and happiness. And marriage doesn't just happen. Love doesn't just happen. Our minds get in our way. Literally, our intellect, our reason, our fears, our worries. And so we don't pay attention. We didn't learn these things growing up. We should have. Marriage is the most important thing in your life. Yet, tell me how many courses you took in school about marriage. It's not taught. And obviously our society doesn't know much, or there wouldn't be an over 50% divorce rate. We don't know. I'm trying to change that with the Marriage Foundation, and you should go to our website, see what we have. But the bottom line is nothing you can say will convince your husband otherwise. Nothing that I tell you to do will change anything except for this. Change your focus. Tell your husband that. Honey, I hear you. I do love you, but it's true. My attention has shifted. And you know what? Both of us miss it. I still love you, and I want that love to grow. The reason why we don't do that right off the bat is because no one told us to. I mean, it is common sense if you think about it. No matter what we do in life, the more time and energy we put into that which we want pays back. Why did you get married? You got married for love, that intimacy, real love, unconditional love, and happiness. How much time and energy did you intentionally put into those two things? None, pretty much. You went with the flow. That's the story of the over 50% divorce rate. You don't have to, you're lucky. You're really lucky because you're hearing this now and I know what you're doing. You're going, yeah, I guess there's truth to that. It's such a shame. You're obviously good people. See what we have to offer you. Get some more education. Don't just try doing this on your own because your habits will overwhelm your efforts and you won't be able to pull it off. And you may be able to fix it for a little while, but then you go right back to the old ways. So learn from me. I did a lot of research on this, and we've had a lot of successes with thousands and thousands of couples. So take advantage of what we have learned and that we want to share with you. I'm Paul Friedman. I founded the Marriage Foundation, and I'm grateful that you spent some time with me. And I hope you come back, subscribe to the channel, and I hope you leave a like, a comment. God bless, and take care.